Stryker! Ted Stryker?
Do you know what it's like to laugh like that?
Yes, I do.
What do they get for telling the truth? A one-way ticket to the funny farm.
Des Moines Institute.
And you know it.
We're familiar with it.
I'm gonna get Ted. Just don't come apart on me now.
Jimmy, you like it when Scraps holds onto your leg and rubs up and down?
Gas my rock!
Captain, your navigator, Mr. Unger, and your first officer, Mr. Dunn.
Unger?
Over. Over.
Done.
We better get to the tower, Lieutenant.
We have no tower, sir.
No tower.
Just a bridge, sir.
Why the hell aren't I notified about these things? Lieutenant, how would you handle this? I want to know absolutely everything that's happened up to now.
Well, let's see. First, the Earth cooled, and then the dinosaurs came. But they got too big and fat, so they all died, and they turned into oil. And then the Arabs came, and they bought Mercedes-Benzes.
Doctor, can you give the court your impression of Mr. Stryker?
I'm sorry, I don't do impressions. My training is in psychiatry.
Of course.
Do you swear on the Constitution of the United States to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Ain't no thing.
The second time bomb on your right, please.
Certainly.
What they'll be expecting us to do.